Welcome guys in this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create the no question in your Instagram story. Okay, click to this add button and then go to story and then click to create, and in here just like to write and search for the yes no question. Okay, uh, and then write in here your question. For example, I'm going to ask my friend that have you ever went to Bali? Okay, and then from here you can change the color of the text if you want to. So I think this one is better, and then click to done. You can change the background as well from here, just like this background. You can move your question. Okay, and then click to send and then share. Then okay, so now if your friends see your story and just uh, response to your story, maybe they say yes or no. Now you can see if you select to write, as you can see one person voted for yes. If you want to share the result, you can click to share the result and then send to story. Okay, and then done. So now you can see one person say yes. Okay, so if you want to see the result, just like to the top, you can see one person say for the yes, still don't have any no. Okay, this is how to create yes no question and Instagram story. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.